Okay, first one of the day, lovely at Triumph on Bonneville. This is quite a low mileage one. Unfortunately, it's been sitting outside for a while. The moisture has got under the side covers, the clear coat on there. So we're going to see if we can sort that out. Get these wheels all minced up. Got a little bit of rust here and there, so we're going to do a bit of touching up. It's got some pitting on the chrome work. Don't know if I'm going to be able to get rid of that, but we'll sure give it a try. Get these wheels all polished up. Sort those hubs out, discs, get it looking like it should, and then we'll get some XCP corrosion protection. It's pretty gunky back here, so I'll get started with a little degreasing. We'll get this seat off so we can clean up underneath the seat. Get it looking like it should, get a bit of corrosion protection on it. Let's get cracking. Quite a few hours later, this Triumph Bonneville has been trotted, and look at freaking sweet. Oh, these engine cases, realistically they need to go to a metal polisher. I have done the best I can, managed to get through a lot of that clear coat down to the good old metal to polish up. All the spokes, all the wheels, discs have been mirror polished. I managed to get all that surface rust off of these headlight brackets, all the headlight, all the mirrors, everything has been thoroughly polished once, twice, some of it 3-4 times. Engine cases come up nice. I did a machine polish on all the bodywork, put the cover back on. All the rust off these shocks has all been removed, XCP'd afterwards. All these little bits of chrome have all been thoroughly polished. Looking pretty sweet. This is up for sale. Anybody looking for a low mileage? This is only 8,000 miles. Bonneville, give me a buzz at 07966 249 963. It's just in time for spring. On to the next.